Located in the rolling hills of Pepin County near Ella, this rare, roughly 89-acre tract offers the perfect blend of productive farmland, strong wildlife habitat, and a convenient location. With roughly 33 tillable acres, boasting a 77.1 NCCPI, and over 20 years of organic management, the farm is currently certified for orchard use and more. The balance of timber, CRP cover, and interior fields are private, scenic, and ideal for recreation. At the heart of the property, Bear Pen Coulee creates a natural travel corridor for deer, complete with bedding points, ridges, and pinch points for consistent daylight movement. A new trail system ensures easy access while keeping pressure off the core hunting areas. Conservation programs provide income and habitat diversity, while multiple buildable sites just off a paved road give you options for a home, cabin, or base camp. For more information, contact land specialist Trevor Glomsky or visit highpointlandcompany.com. With the Chippewa River only a mile away and Lake Pepin and the Mississippi within easy reach, this property is a true year-round destination.